Hi, in this tutorial I would like to show you how to lock alpha in Krita. So first we need to create a new project, so I go to File, then I go to New, and I type here width and height for the project. For example, I will type here 1000 of width and 1000 of height, and then I click Create button. Here we need to create a simple shape. For example, I will increase size of the brush, and after that I will click somewhere here, and then I will decrease this size. How you see, this brush has been successfully added to paint layer. And now if we would like to lock alpha, we need to click on this one icon. So I click here, alpha will be successfully locked. It means that if you would like to draw something outside the object, it will not be visible. So for example, I will draw here rectangle, so I click on rectangle tool and I will change the color maybe to black and I click OK button. And if you would like to draw a simple shape, you may see that this part is not visible here, because only part inside the object will be visible in this situation. And of course, if you will unlock this alpha by clicking here, you will be able again to draw the shape outside the object. So it is how it works. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. And if you have any questions, you can include them in comment.